Hey guys, what's up? Today, I got a replacement card for someone's computer that needed a replacement video card, and they told me to get the cheapest video card possible. So I went on to ncix.com and I got them the HD 3450, 256 megabytes of DDR2 and 1 gigabyte of hyper memory. That probably uses your RAM as video RAM, I guess. It has HDMI and PCI Express 2.0, DirectX 10, so it's good for Vista. And this is their operating system is Vista, by the way. ATI hybrid graphics technology, ATI Avivo HD technology, built-in HDMI with 5.1. Wow, 5.1. Jeez, this would be 7.1. And that's pretty much all the specs that stand out on the box, as you can see. So on the box, it's just a little box too. Look at that, little box from. Kind of, it's a little basic card, passive cooler, and ATI Radeon graphics, hybrid graphics technology, all the key features of it. So I'm gonna unbox it. So here it is. I'm gonna unbox this. Opening up the box. It comes in a red little packaging, as you can see. So let's pull it out. Really basic unboxing. Wow. Nothing in the box. So we got this little booklet. It's probably like how to install the card, and we have some instructions on how to install this card. Like wow, like no one doesn't know how to install a card. Like oh my god, it's so fucking simple. Okay, driver disk, but we will not be using that because I'll be downloading the latest drivers for this card, and of course the video card in this nice, I think it's static bag. Let's take it out and take a look. Ooh, wow, look at that nice big passive heatsink on that bad boy. Oh, jeez. There's the ports. I'm using my laptop webcam, by the way. So that's how it looks. Cool, it looks nice and big. That's what she said. It will snap. And that's pretty much it at the bottom. I don't know if you guys are interested in the bottom, but there it is, it's the bottom. And there it is. That's a real simple unboxing of video card, HD 3450 from ATI. It's Power Color is the brand name, and the ATI is the graphics chipset. So yeah, it's 256. So they said they didn't need no high-end card. They're not doing extreme gaming. They're just casual internet browsing, and it's an HP box, and the onboard video died, so I had to get a replacement video card. Board still works and all, just that the onboard video, I don't know, gave out, I guess. Okay, and that's pretty much it for that unboxing, and stay tuned for others because I will upload some. Thanks for watching, and please rate and subscribe.